What's the meaning of Brazilian? Brazilian. Brazilian.
Brazilian. Brazilian. The term Brazilian relates to or refers to something that is characteristic of or originates from Brazil, which is the largest country in South America and famous for its diverse culture, natural beauty, and football. The use of the term can refer to a variety of things such as Brazilian cuisine, Brazilian music, Brazilian fashion, Brazilian people, or Brazilian Portuguese language. It can also be used to describe anything related to Brazil, including its economy, politics, history, geography, and society. In short, the term Brazilian is a broad and versatile term that encompasses various aspects of Brazil and its culture.